When it comes to concrete processing and the use of other construction chemical products, Sinnotec Innovation Consulting GmbH has impressive and comprehensive expertise. The forward-thinking company improves concrete by making it demonstrably denser and more resistant, whether against acid, chloride ions, extreme temperatures or weathering. An additional highlight is the optical refinement of exposed concrete surfaces. The team finds the right solution for every requirement. Dr. Jörg Rathenow ranks as an experienced professional for the development of coatings and building chemical sealants based on inorganic binders. He holds several patents and, with his Silicate technology, is especially successful in the chemical and steel industries as well as the industrial and design flooring sectors. Customers from all over the world are delighted by the excellent quality of the building chemicals. Sinnotec, we care about concrete.